Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Running a news channel was always hard. I will show you the step-by-step process of making a news channel and for example news with the help of AI.
ভাড়াটে যোদ্ধা সরবরাহকারী প্রতিষ্ঠান ভাগনারের প্রধান ইয়েভগেনি প্রিগোশিনকে বহনকারী উড়োজাহাজ হ্যান্ড গ্রেনেড বিস্ফোরণে বিধ্বস্ত হয়ে থাকতে পারে।
Firstly, you need to do some steps for this video, which are given below. Step 1. For the generator AI image, go to any browser and type the Leonardo.ai, then enter. Create an account. I created with Google account. You can use another email ID to create an account. Now pick your username. Now turn on the policy switch and select your interests. Finally, click next. Click on AI image generation under user tools. Now choose your image number and select the necessary filter that you need. I'm typing here as an Indian woman news anchor with the news studio. Now click on generate. May you see some example content and now download it. SYNC.AI 2. Downloading the image background, removing and opening a new tab, typing the remove BG and press enter. Now select upload image. After completing the upload, then automatically remove the background image. You see the ready for download and click on download. SYNC.AI 3. Collect news intro. Open the new tab and search for Google Pixabay. Press enter. Search into Pixabay to write a news intro. Select the video, choose and click it. Now select your resolution and select resolution 1280*720. Click on download. Scroll down and again choose another intro, same resolution, select and click on download. SYNC.AI 4. YouTube audio library. Now go to your YouTube studio and click on audio library. Now search newsroom news. Now download this audio. Step 5. Now take the news text that you want to present in your video and collect images that are news related. Step 6. Editing image. Open a new tape, type on SYNC.AI and press enter. Click here and create an account, then log in. And use my Gmail account. Follow the step. Click on the template and see more options for breaking news templates. Now click on Home. Now click Photo Avatar. Now do you see the two options, and just click on Upload taking photo. Now find talking photo for the news. Click on Create Video and you see the two options, just click on Landscape. Now click Photo Avatar. Click here and select the green screen. Now click on Taking Photo. Now paste your text news and click Text Script for present news. Or paste your audio script, click here. Now select your language and voice type, test your sound here. Submit it, then your intro is ready. You can download this
আমি
video.
এইভাবেই শোনাচ্ছি, আশা করি
Few times wait and click on the download option. Step 7. Finally, video editing. We are using the Camtasia video editing software. Now uploading all images, videos, and audio. Now follow me step by step on how I edit here. Now test your video for where it needs to more edit. Finally, export it. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon, click and see your next updated video.
ভারতের যোদ্ধা সরবরাহ